So if your goal is to start making money online, don't start as a virtual assistant if you know you are a complete beginner. I know that sounds strange because many people say virtual assistance is the fastest way to start making money online, including me. That is what I used to say. But the truth is, if you start virtual assistance today as a complete beginner with no any experience, finding a client is going to be twice as difficult, and you might end up giving up before you find even your first client. Now, don't get me wrong, you can still become a virtual assistant, but virtual assistance should be your step 2, not a step 1. And to explain it better, I'm going to give you an example. There is someone that I personally know, and that person had been trying to succeed as a virtual assistant for over a year. That person went through the learning process, have the skills. If he get the job, he can do the job right, but he couldn't find a client for about a year. And he made one small change few weeks ago that helped him find his first client, his first paying client. And what he did is, in the process of learning the skills and creating his portfolio, packaging himself, creating social media posts for himself, he learned how to do graphic design. He had a good understanding of how to use Canva, and he can create very good graphics. And because of that, he just went to Fiverr and he created a new gig, and he was offering banner, social media promotional banner, not virtual assistant service. And since he already have the graphic design experience, he created a lot of banners, a lot of samples in Canva, and he uploaded all those samples in his Fiverr gig. And that is how he found his first client. Within just few days after he made this change, someone find his gig, they look at the samples he have, and that person liked one of the samples that he had, and he sent him a message and asked him to create a similar version of that sample, but for the client. And that is how he got his first paying client. He only made $5. He created the banner for just $5, so it's not really about the money. He got his first 5-star review. Now that he have at least just one 5-star review, it is going to be easier for him to find his next client, because he have that one 5-star review, and because he saw exactly the process he followed to find his first client. And that is the advice I'm going to give anyone today. If you start as a virtual assistant, but you say you are only going to offer data entry, data analysis, or administrative support, that is all you are going to do today, finding a client is going to be twice as difficult. And the main reason is it's going to be quite challenging to be able to prove to a client that you are that right fit for them. Whereas if you have some visually attractive sample that you can show to a client, that can convince them they need that thing from you, and they will end up hiring you. If you create samples, let's say Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel samples, all the other virtual assistants create the same samples. There is very little you can do really to differentiate your samples from other virtual assistants trying to find a client. And that is why it's going to be harder to separate yourself if you are only offering general administrative services or virtual assistant services. But if you pick one thing that you know you can create a visually attractive sample, it is going to help you find your first client. I didn't start out as a virtual assistant. I started as a website designer. When I figured out website design is too broad, I niched down to landing page design. And that is how I started building my career. I built the landing pages for clients. I get some full 5-star reviews. And then I started transitioning to virtual assistants. And that is what you can do too. You don't have to offer website design or landing page design. There are several things that you can pick one thing that you can create a visually attractive sample. Social media graphic design, vertical video editing, YouTube thumbnails, ebooks. Like almost all online coaches have lead magnet. Lead magnet is just mostly an ebook that people give in exchange of an email subscriber. So if you can create very nice ebooks, that is going to be something you can start with. Remember, in the beginning, it's not really about the money. It's about finding your first few clients that are going to give you full 5-star review and some experience, which will help you find better clients. So even though you have the virtual assistant experience, you want to become a virtual assistant. If you have been struggling for a while, this should be your next step. Just sit down, pick one thing. Vertical video editing, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphic design, ebooks, There are several other examples. You see, I hired a lot of graphic designers throughout my career, sometimes for myself, sometimes for my client. Just recently, I hired someone to create a logo for me. Even though I can create a logo, it takes me too long to create a logo, so I just hired someone to do it for me. And what I did in the process of hiring someone is just check profiles of other people, or people who are offering logo design, and I look at their examples, the samples they have. The one that I found a sample that I really like, that is the person I'm going to talk to. And that should be your goal, to create visually attractive samples of your work that when someone take a look at it, they are going to feel they need it. Because people, they need stuff. People who have businesses, they need things. If someone need a logo, they need a logo. They have to get someone to build it for them if they don't have graphic design experience. If someone wants to have very good vertical videos posted on YouTube Short or TikTok or Instagram Reels, they need someone to do it if they don't have the experience or the time to do it themselves. And your entire job is to show someone a sample that when they look at it, they are going to feel, yes, I do need that. And this should be your first step. Succeeding as a virtual assistant is going to be a lot easier if you have some client testimonials, some reviews that are going to prove to your virtual assistant client that you know what you are doing. And that is why your assignment right now is sit down, look at all the examples I provided: YouTube thumbnails, ebooks, social media, graphic design, vertical video editing. There are others. Do a research and find all the services that you know visually attractive samples can be created, and pick one. If you don't have the skills or you don't have the experience, focus on building the skills and the experience in that thing. When you learn it, you can start offering it to client. Start by looking for clients who need that specific thing. Virtual assistance is important because as a virtual assistant, you don't have to find a client always. You can just find 2 or 3 clients and you can work with them for years. So that is your goal. But in order to find that, in order to get to that level where you can find a reliable virtual assistant client, use this method as a bridge that is going to take you there. And as soon as you pick that one service and you learn that service, get out there and start looking for a client. If you are wondering how, check out this video where I explain all the ways that you can find online work today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.